Hello everybody, this is Steve and welcome back to the first episode of this new series called Blender Tutorial. So basically I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to animate in Blender. So Blender is a software you can download which is used to create animations. And I thought I'd do a tutorial of this. I was going to do a series of Minimator, but then I stopped using Minimator. I started using Blender. So you can still use Minimator. Minimator is a little more basic, and Blender's a little more advanced. But if you watch this series, then you'll understand how to use it. So, yeah. Let's start with the tutorial. So, basically, when you open up Blender, you'll see this. If you don't see this, then go into File and click New and make a new workspace. So, and then it should start you up with a cube. So now I'm going to explain the basic controls. Just hold down your mouse wheel and then move your mouse to look around. So remember to take that mouse wheel and push it down until it clicks and move it like this. And then I'm going to move like that. So that's how to move around. And then click on your square, right click on it. And if these arrows don't pop up, then we need to fix something. So click this button to toggle the arrows right here. So if yours looks like this and you don't see the arrows, then just click that button to toggle them on. And if it looks something like this or this, then just click one of these modes. Click this little pointer one to go to your arrows. So your arrows help you move the cube in any direction you like. And if you click in the middle there, if you right click in the middle there, so I have a little bit of a cough. Then you can move the square like this. So just right click in the middle of that, not the middle, but just right click in that circle. And then you're moving your square freely without arrows like this. Alright, let me just put my square back into the middle. And we're going to explain the basic modes of Blender. So there are different modes right here. It's like the interaction mode. How you interact with the objects in your scene. So yeah, click this drop down menu. You should be on object mode, by the way, when you start to select objects. So click that, and you'll see edit mode, sculpt mode, and then these texture paint modes. So basically, you don't have to worry about the texture paint modes here. You don't have to worry about weight paint or that paint. So we're just going to talk about edit mode, sculpt mode, and texture paint. So if you click edit mode, you can basically click this, and then you can edit the corners of any object like this. So you can kind of model it how you want it. I'm going to put this back because I don't want to ruin my scene right now. So yeah, you can edit the corners of objects. Sculpt mode, you can click here and you can kind of sculpt it. You're not carving into it, but you're changing like the shape of the sides of the object, like this. As you can see, now my square is now a little bit bigger on different sides. So we don't have to worry about these two, but texture paint is basically where you can paint on it. You can paint a texture. I'll have a separate episode about this texture paint. So let's just go back to our object mode. And now I'm going to explain how to add simple objects in there. And so what you need to do is click Shift A. So Shift click your A on your keyboard. And you should click. And it should pop up with this. And go into Mesh. And click the thing you want to insert. I'm going to insert a monkey head. Okay, there. So we have our monkey head sitting on top of our cube. And if you want to rotate it, click this rotating tool. Rotate. And this is the scaling tool. I don't think it's called scaling tool, but that's what I'm going to call it in the series. Because to me, it makes more sense to be that. So yeah, you can basically like do this. If you want to change the size, click S to change your size, or just click scale over here and you can scale it. So yeah, that will be the end of the tutorial, guys. I know it's a short tutorial, but hopefully this helped you begin Blender. And so yeah, the next episode will be about, I can't tell you yet actually, but it will be another tutorial, obviously, because this is a tutorial series. So yeah, bye everyone.